From Empty-Headed Things to be Vindicated. Volume number 1 by M.T. Danielson. Number 15. Typewriter, the Bounty Hunter. I wonder if Dog the Bounty Hunter would have been as successful if he was Chinchilla the Bounty Hunter. Or maybe Peacock the Bounty Hunter. Or worse, Typewriter the Bounty Hunter. Or Safety Goggles the Bounty Hunter. Or Bounty Hunter the Bounty Hunter. Or Boba Fett the Bounty Hunter. Or Vivian Lee the Bounty Hunter. Or Target Employee the Bounty Hunter. Or Simon, who was called Peter the Bounty Hunter. Or Dainty Jim the Bounty Hunter. Or I'm a Terrible Bounty Hunter the Bounty Hunter. And if he's lucky, maybe one day, he will be Dog the President of the United States the Bounty Hunter. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.